Hey yo, what's poppin' everyone? So every day a new video. This is code Raw, and for the new ones, we solve daily lead code problems. So this is day 20, I think. And today, as usual, we're gonna solve some lead code problems. So we divide our lead code problems by patterns and by topics. So they're gonna help the narrator word to solve the problem. We're gonna begin those two problems we solved yesterday, and today we'll try to solve those two. So the first one will be container with most water. We're gonna gather chakra infused water for the team and max number of case sum pairs. We're gonna from balanced shinobi pairs from team mission. Welcome everyone. Bring anything you can help. You can drink. And as always, don't forget to follow me on GitHub, and you can find me also on LinkedIn or on Instagram. And without further ado, let's jump to the problems. So yesterday we did the problems with the two pointers pattern. Those are patterns to solve leet code problem effectively, and today we'll continue to do that also. So the first problem will be this, and let's jump to it. So this stream is a little bit early because I have something to do later, but I think it's cool. So let's draw. So you're given an integer array. We have an array here of length n. There are n vertical lines. Draw such that the two endpoints of the ith line are I and 0 and I hate. So this endpoint is I0 and this is I hate. So the n will be the index. This is the index, the element 0, and this is his value. Find two lines that together with the x-axis from a container, so that the container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water in container can store. Note that you may not slant the container. Enter the contest pro. What contest? I think what contest exactly? If I can, I will enter it tomorrow because I don't think I have the much time today. So the hay are 1 8. So this index 0, it will be 1, and this 8 6 2 5 4 8 3 and 7. Output is 49. I think this is the sum. 7 and 8. So 10, 20, 30. The above vertical lines are represented by arrays. In this case, the max area of water blue section, the container that can contain is 49. Okay, so let's break it down. We have this list. It's 1 8 6 2 5 4 8 3 and 7. And that's the diagram. That's the diagram, and it is divided by 8 section 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. And here we have an element which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 until 8, until 8. So 8. Okay, So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 elements. So we're gonna draw 9 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For every one, we're gonna draw this 1. This is 8. This is 6. This is 2. This is 3, 5. This is 4. This is 8. This this is a 3, and this is 7. So we're gonna find the most. And this is 3. 3 plus 8. Oh no. Yeah, it's 3. But does 3 contain 8? The blue section. The max area of water. 7. It is 7 by 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. Think about 2 pointer. Yeah, but 2 pointer, but I didn't really know the output. What does it represent? So here we have 6. 6 and 2, 8 plus 5. It's 13 plus 4 is 17 plus 8 it's 25 plus 3 is 28. Man, I just don't understand what the 49 is. So let's sum it. So 8 plus 2 it's 10. 6 plus 4 is 10, so 20. 7 plus 3 is 30, and we have 8 and 5. Or it is 7 multiplied by 7. So find two lines that together with this axis form a container such that contains the most water. Yeah, it is on 7. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like that. No. Yeah, 7 multiplied by 7. The first 7 is the y-axis, but the second 7, what is represented? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Those are 6, and those are 8. Or it is this 7, because this 8. Uh, you may not slant the container. Distance multiplied by min height. Min height. Oh, just 7, and the min height it's 7 here. Okay, just want to see something. If you summarize the problem, it will be just not different. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 2 pointers. How much time did it take you to understand that it's relevant? I don't think I understand very well, but I'm currently a student, a uni student, software engineering student. So I think I am 1 year. It took me 1 year. So okay, let's just focus, and then gonna choose those two. Those two, and we're gonna add them together. So this is 7. This is 7. Uh, 7, and this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so this minus minus this multiplied by this. Man, I need some more examples. Oh, so the first max and then the max high. Uh, I need to see some more example of this. Min. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. So if we have a list like this, let's work on a smaller list. If we have a list like this, um, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. So the diagram will be like ah. Is there a line? I want to draw a line. Okay, so let's draw it like this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. 5 element. So here 1, 2, 3, and 4. The 0 will be the 4. The 1 will be 3. The 2 will be 2. The 3 will be 1, and 4 will be 4. So we're gonna choose those. Those. So it will be 4 minus 0, multiply it by 4. So it is 16. Okay, okay. Okay. The higher quota is divided by the shorter line. So we're gonna find the max line here, and then the max. So why didn't he? Oh, oh, it has to be lower than the first element. And the water is divided by the shorter line. The amount of water container. Oh, I understand now. You are right. Use the two pointer first pointer at the beginning. Yeah, yeah. Use the site to visualize those questions. I don't know why I can't see links you send it. I don't know why. So okay. So it is pretty simple now, I think. So we have to iterate through the list, find the first max, which is 4, and then find the um, the max that is lower than 4, or it can be 4. Why can't it be 4? It can be 4. Ergo lens. is the site name. Okay, that's it. Calculans. Relation tool. Okay, okay. We don't have to. It is 15 minutes now, so I just want to know why didn't he choose 8 here? Because it can't. Hmm, because it can spell out the water. I think this is it. Mm-hmm. Between as much as they're high. Hmm. The reason the notion doesn't choose the line with 8 at the end in the example, because distance width between the lines matter as much as their height. The distance. The distance. The two lines and the maximum are different. Now let's consider line 8 at the end. Mm-hmm. With if you choose 8, so the it will be 8 minus 1. It's 7. 7 multiplied by 8. 7 6. 6 multiplied by 8 will be 48. And we need to get the max. Yeah, max. Yeah, yeah. Understand now, but oof, it's pretty hard, man. Okay. So we're gonna fix one and in the max, and then the other will will count will go to one. He will be 1 minus 0. Uh, 1 minus 0 multiplied by 3, and and uh, and make it to the max, and then compare the max until we reach the max, and then return it, and then simply return it. So I think it's very simple. Let's write some code. So let's initialize start and end. Start equal 0 and end equal start plus 1. Okay. So for start in range, but how we're gonna find the max? Okay. Uh, so how we're gonna find the max? If we're gonna just return max. Oof, I think it's pretty hot. So we have to search for the max. Uh, okay, let's search for max. Uh, can just mm, max index equal equal height dot index, I think is set of max uh, so this set, so it's going to return the max. Just want to ensure that it is good, so I'm just gonna print max index. Oh, max of height. So it is one. It's cool. And okay, so we're cool. So now for and start will be the will have the index. Start will be max index, and then end will be start plus one. So for end, we're gonna move with end. So for end in range then length of height minus start. Or let's say it now. It is we have to find for every iteration we're gonna uh, calculate the distance equal end minus start and let's say water. We're gonna multiply this distance by the value of end, and then if we're gonna initialize max water here, if max water is lower than water, so max water will be water, and after all of that we can return max water every time. So no based when you score, shut on the wing, shut on the wing. Be a call. So max water, max index, index. Oh, oh, it's cool. I think we're good. So let's just submit it. So one, uh, why this one? Oh, because it's it's gonna find the max index. But in this, it's gonna choose two where it has to choose one. Here we have this one, two, and one. One and two. If max is unique, no, cannot do that. I think I'm gonna make a condition if the list has a three element. Okay, what the hell? What man? We saw the two test case, but the 23 test case it's not passed. So I'm gonna check for it. So here we have one to one. It has to choose the one and the one. So I think if we have list of three element, let's suppose this two, one and one. Or hmm, or we can just iterate through the list. We don't have to choose the maximum. We only have to start. It has not doesn't be the maximum if the start is here and the max. But what if? Okay, okay. So I'm just gonna modify this a little bit. So I'm not gonna give the divide. Let's use two pointer. The first pointer is at the beginning. So, max. Yeah, yeah, max high only. Yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna initialize the start for the max. I'm just gonna start this. We have to. This is and start will be zero and max water. Let's run this. Oh, but I have then to modify start. So for uh, so I'm gonna choose to make a while loop. While start is lower than len of height and and is lower than end of height. Uh, we're gonna say distance and then after all this we're gonna increment start by one and end plus equal to one. Oh. Uh, yeah, and has to be len minus one. Oh, so the first will be start from here and the second from here. I think we have to iterate the start from here and the end from here also. Oh, so okay, okay. So it's like the palindrome one. Okay, so I have it here. So if start, okay, I'm just gonna change it a little bit. Start is equal to end. End will initialize it as len of a height minus one, and then gonna increment every. This has to work. But he's choosing this. He's choosing this. No. 8, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1, 7, 7. Skip them in only. The second pointer is at the end. Skip them in only. I really don't get it. Just want to draw it a bit by my own, so I have here. And so here I have 1, 8, 6, 2, it's 5, 5 it's 4, 4 it's 6 is 8, and 7 is 3. Just increase the men. What men? I really don't understand you, man. No, but the end. Men start end. Oh, so I have to make a. Yeah, as it is. Have to make a variable. So it's not so it's not distant high of end. It's men. It's men of QA wolf. So QA. Yeah, I think so. No, so it's distant multiplied by min of high end or high start. I think this is it. It's gonna choose the minimum and yes, min high start. But he outputted 8. Distance equal and minus start. So if I think we don't have to increment the start, but no, we have to do it. Uh, you just move this small pointer max unit. So if start is here and is here. I will make condition on this. So if start equal max. I mean Yo, you said we can't hear you. I thought I don't want you don't want me to make voice. Oh, sorry. I apologize for that. So, if sum of I plus sum of g is uh, equal 5, equal k. So we're gonna delete sum of I and delete sum of g, and then I plus plus ah and g minus minus. And if it's not, so if this is this, so we have 3, 1, 3, 4, and 3. Let's say that this is this is start and this is the end. Oh, then we're gonna remove them. In the second iteration, this is this is start. Wait, this is start and this is end. This this the sum of them uh, is not is different of k. So what iteration what thing we have to increment? I think any one of them. So either we have s plus plus or e minus minus. So let's choose e minus minus. This is it, and this is not. And then we're gonna have to count the operation. Let's count operation count. Uh, I think it is pretty simple. I don't know why it is. So as the algorithm said, we have to initialize start by and end by len of nums minus 1, and then the while loop. While start is lower than end. I'm gonna if nums of 5 plus nums of start plus nums of end equal k, then we're gonna delete I'm gonna delete nums of start and delete the nums of end. And then we increment start and decrement end. Hence, we just have to increment end. And here we have to count op plus equal 1. And after all that, we return count op. I think this is right. So this is some index out of range. I'm gonna work it with remove. No, it's remove. It's not. Okay. But I want it with index. Pop 1. Remove the second item. Oh. Okay, okay. I hear. Can I? Hmm. So I have to delete the end first. I have. Does there any minus one? No. I want to like group them in a. Hmm. Can I just pop it? Yeah, no need to delete it. But oh, okay. So we don't have to delete it. We just have to just count. Don't have to delete it. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, man. Oh, we did this in like 10 minutes. It's cool, actually. Okay, so k equal to. Okay, so the start is here, the end is here. The start will be incremented, the end will be decremented. Start and oh no, it's just the end will be decremented. The end, the end. Until it goes to the start. Okay. Uh, okay, I see. So if we don't find this sum, we're gonna increment those two ones. So if we don't find the sum, we're gonna increment the start, and in one time we have to increment the, the start and decrement the end, but it will be NO2. I want the time complexity to be n, but if we iterate through the list, it will be NO2. How we're gonna do it to the complexity ON? So let's just take a little example of it. So let's say we have 4, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, let's say another one and another 3, 1. s is here and is here. The sum is not k, so the end will be mm, okay. I have another idea. While start is not while start is len of lumps, and this so the two pointers, this pointer will go way up to the end, and this end will go to the start, and that we guarantee that we don't that there are no integer left. So start is and in every and and is greater than 0, then equal k. In either way, we're gonna else we'll just okay. So if mhm, this in either way, you're gonna okay. One, but I have to delete them. Can I delete them? But I'm just gonna make them zeros. So if he's some no, no. Why do I have to make a new list? Okay, that's how we're gonna do it. If the start is lower than k, so the start will be fixed, and the end will be it's the start will be fixed, and only no, 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 no. Let's start over. So this is s and this is and. If if and is lower than k, so we're gonna fix and uh, increase s, and if start is lower than k, let's suppose start is here. Start is here, so we're gonna fix s and uh, increase decrease and I think this is so let's just so if it's he's gonna and if start gonna we're good, man. I think we're good. Let's just submit it. You have to work, man. What the fuck? Time limit exceeded. So if this the start and this is the end. Start. Oh, oh, oh! I see. I see. Okay. So if is not, there is no other solution. I don't care if it's lower or higher. If it's not, he's gonna move to the other one. Man, just work, please. So we have case two, and this is two. Is not two. Is not two. Is not. Oh, it is two. But he has to submit. Or if it's not, so we have to make it quick. We have to make it quick. So we have this case two. So whenever you go, that's what I found. Like the last night, if the one, then I wanna be next. If it's lower or no, I have num nums of s plus nums of e equal k. So if nums of I equal k minus a thing, so it has to be lower than it is. No, if it's lower, oh, so it is. If it's greater, I'm gonna make it great. Okay, let's go. Or if this plus this is not the if this plus this is not, and I'm gonna decrement. So if this and this, so let's suppose we have it's later, then we don't have to change it. Okay. Oh. Hello. Hey, welcome to stream, man. Hope you're doing good. I think there is a little problem in my solution. So this plus this, it is, so it's gonna, if this, okay. So, for each possible value x, it can be paired up with k minus x. Hey, how are you doing? Hey, welcome to stream, man. Thank you, I'm fine. How are you? No, no, no. The number of such pair equal to main count x less k, where the number of such pair will be floor. What is this, man? Min. What? Not good. I think the video is long enough, so just want to see it. So he's gonna sort them. Okay, he's gonna sort them. Okay. Temp equal. If temp equal, okay. So he's gonna increase and decrease it, and if temp equal stump is greater than k, it's gonna. Okay, so I'm gonna solve it. It's gonna solve it. Mm-hmm. So if also I'm gonna make it invisible. Okay. Then I'm gonna increase start my own and is minus one. If temp is greater than k. So it's gonna else start. Alright, I'm going to p. The key is here, I think. Oh, that's not. Start going to if now so, now it's not now it's good. I think it's not that hard, but I complicate a little bit. So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for following the stream. Thank you for following the channel. Thank you for following me on every social media platform. I think this is the end stream. The stream is a little bit too early, but I really have something to do later. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be so grateful if you followed me on YouTube and on other social media platform. So this is the end of stream. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you tomorrow.